Utah's Mighty Five refers to 5 beautiful national parks in Utah, Zion National Park being the most popular. In fact, Zion is the 4th most visited national park in the United States. Today, we'll learn about Zion and 2 incredible hikes. Zion Canyon is the main attraction in the park. It can be accessed from the south entrance or the east entrance. The south entrance being your only option if you have a big rig, because there's a tunnel that restricts the size of the vehicles that can go through it. The Virgin River runs through Zion Canyon and makes Zion an oasis in the desert, and provides a beautiful foreground for many pictures. The river also provides opportunities to cool off or inner tube down the river. The road through Zion Canyon is only open to shuttle buses most of the year. As I said in other videos, don't knock the shuttle bus system. It beats the alternative of crowds and no place to park. The road dead ends at what appears to be the end of the canyon. But the Virgin River continues upstream, and hence the canyon continues upstream beyond the end of the road. The canyon continues to get more and more narrow. Here is the first of 2 incredible hikes in the park. I suggest taking the Riverside Walk. The path goes upstream till it ends at what seems to be the end of the trail. The paved trail ends at the point where the river is the entire width of the canyon. If you're there when the river is not too high, usually during summer, you will find people don't stop at the end of the paved trail. The Narrows is a trail, if you want to call it a trail, that simply goes upstream, mostly by walking through the water. How far you go upstream is up to you. When I was young, my family went as far as we were able, stopped by the water being too deep to walk through and the current too swift to swim through, although I did try. While riding through Zion Canyon, a particular landmark is hard to miss. A mountain protrudes out into the canyon, beckoning one to climb it. Its name is Angel's Landing, and the second incredible hike in the park. It isn't a particularly long or strenuous hike, it's only 5 miles round trip. The trail climbs up the side of the canyon. That's the easy part. From there, you hike across a fin that connects Angel's Landing to the canyon side. This part of the trail is not for those who have a good fear of heights, as you walk along the narrow ledges and a couple spots across the narrow top of the fin. I'm proud of Darlene for making it to the top of Angel's Landing, but she literally had nightmares afterwards. I promised I would never make her do such a hike again. With landmarks named Angel's Landing, the Altar of Sacrifice, the West Temple, and the Great White Throne, Zion, the City of God, is appropriately named. Therefore, thus says the Lord God, Behold, I am laying in Zion a stone, a tested stone, a costly cornerstone for the foundation, firmly placed. He who believes in it will not be disturbed. There you have it, 2 incredible hikes in Zion National Park. One day, Lord willing, I hope to go back to Zion and do a 3rd hike to the subway, but we'll see if I can do that one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.